What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Overdrive. We're here today with the GTI. Let's show you guys what's going on. Alright guys, so we're here with Alessandro. Let him know what's happening.
What's going on, guys? So today, I bought a front lip for the GTI. It comes in a 3-piece set, essentially. So this would be like the side. So they would just be like this. It's gonna look like that. And then essentially you just grab, hold on, let me find it. You just grab, see there's little things here. You just put it in there and then it stays like that. And then we drill it up.
It all becomes one piece when you put them all together.
Yep. Screws there, got the jacks and everything. So we're gonna jack her up and drill her in.
Alright guys, so the car is now on jack stands. We are now going to probably assemble the lip a bit and then think of how we're going to start putting it on the car.
I literally am going to review it. All we did was put the 2 screws to hold it together, 2 on this side and then 2 on this side, so they're not going to come apart now. It's just one full lip.
Now we're going to start drilling underneath, so let's get to it.
Okay, on the track.
Alright guys, so we just got the lip on. Let's hit the cinematics to show you guys what it looks like. Guys, hope you enjoy those cinematics. Alessandro, what do you think about the lip?
Dude, I like it. The shark fin, dude, it's so nice with the gloss black, and it makes the car look 10 times lower. Nice and sturdy. Amazon special, you already know. Come on now. I love the way it looks with the black and white. Oh, it looks really nice. I love it.
Yeah, she looks low.
Soon I'm gonna be getting the diffusers on the back.
Sheesh.
That's gonna look insane.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. By the time you guys are watching this video, I will be in Mexico, so there was no video last week. I'm sorry about that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video here. Simple and easy. I'll leave the link to the description. This was from Amazon. It was only around, what, $213?
$213 bucks.
Easy money. Like, if you guys want this, cheap, easy,
literally
you can do it yourself.
20 minutes installation, bro.
Exactly, nice and fast. Well, hope you guys like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to stay tuned. Peace.
track.